Hello everyone. Let's start with the payment channel module. This feature or module manages the different payment option available for the customer during the checkout. So using this module, the admin can create multiple payment channel which they can make available during the checkout process for customer. And we have several menus. As you can see, payment channel menu, payment provider menu, then contacts, then category group, and the category. So if I go with the payment channel first. So for the payment channel, you need to provide for which company you want to create the payment channel, which provider you are using, for which country. So this is the mandatory fields you need to provide while you are creating the payment channels. So after creating the payment channels, you will have the option to create the payment providers. So you need to give the payment provider code and name. For example, for Malaysia, IP88 is one payment provider, or GHL is another payment provider. So after you create the payment provider, you can prioritize priority of the payment provider on the payment channel what you link with. So then next is the set the contracts with the providers. So you can record the contracts. You can configure the contract credential through the contracts menu. So between your company and the payment channel, whatever credential they provide to enable the payment channel to your website, you are able to configure through this contracts menu. And then you have the contract rate between the payment provider and your website. Whatever charges whatever commission or charges is fixed, you are able to configure through this menu. And then you have the category group and the category. So you can have multiple category of channel based on your need. You can categorize. Especially, you can categorize your payment channel and provider based on your need. So in the category group, you can create the category group, and based on that type, you just create based on your need. And then inside the category group, you can have multiple categories. So there is a 2 level of category, or you can set for each payment channel if you require. So in a summary, you are able to access the payment channel settings through the payment channel applet, and where you can set the contracts with the providers, you can set the commission rates with the provider, and enable or disable the channel for the customer based on the payment flexibility. And with the payment channel module, as admin, you have the full control over which payment method customer can use, along with the ability to manage the contracts, provider contracts, and the commission rates. Yeah. So this is the feature and the functionality we provide for the payment channel applet. Thank you.